Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will show you how to download ChatGPT in laptop. So without further ado, let's dive right now. Step 1. Open your browser. The first step is to open your browser that you usually use. Step 2. Search for ChatGPT. After opening the browser, hit the search bar and search for ChatGPT and click Enter. After entering, click on the first link. Step 3. Log in or sign in, and after clicking on the first link, ChatGPT will ask you to log in or sign in. If you don't have an account, sign in, and if you have an account, log in. Step 4. Click on the three dots button. After logging in, click on the three dots button located on the top right corner. Click on it. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Step 5. Click on More Tools. From the drop-down menu, click on More Tools. Another menu will appear, then click on Create Shortcut. Step 6. Save as Shortcut. After clicking on Create Shortcut, a confirmation option will show up. Turn on Save as Windows, then click on Create Shortcut. Step 7. See the results. After creating the shortcut, you will notice that ChatGPT is open in another window, and the app will be on your desktop. And you can also pin it to the taskbar. You can use it as an app on your laptop. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for tech videos. Thanks for watching.